Good morning, this is Wayne Bilal with another Smart Profit Maximize moment. Today we're going to talk about, if not now, when. Look, to succeed in the business world, you have to replace excuses with action. And boy, 2020 has provided us with business owners in particular with plenty of excuses, as we know. I'm ready for 2020 to end. Sorry, guys. Many owners barely have enough money to pay the bills and are simply in survival mode. They don't have much left over for anything else. Many are struggling harder to make money, Many are struggling harder now to make enough money to pay their bills, take care of their families, and truthfully are working harder, making less, all right? There are millions of excuses a business owner could give for not being able to change their current situation. But all excuses do is sabotage your success. I'm constantly hearing the economy sucks right now. I can't reopen. I'm reopening, but my customers aren't coming back. The banks aren't lending me money, which really shouldn't be an excuse. You got PPP, you got EIDL, but the banks are going to be a little bit more cautious. I can't, truthfully, I can't compete with the big guys in my field. I don't have enough money to spend on marketing. Excuses are caused by our fears, all right? They're created by our minds as a way to avoid and ignore our innermost doubts. Excuses lead to inaction and zero results. If you are unhappy with your current situation, you must change it. First, think about the worst case scenario you envision for your business. Whatever that is, going out of business, whatever, all right? Next, ask yourself if you're able to live with that scenario. If not, how can you prevent this scenario from happening? Don't use I should have done X, Y, or Z, or one day I will do this as an answer. Now is the time to create a plan to strengthen your business. Make a list of all your excuses, doubts, and fears. Go down the list and, excuse me. Sorry guys, allergies. And go down the list and figure out how you can eliminate or mitigate each one, all right? Then create a plan to achieve your business goals and include monthly action to achieve them. Once you put your plan into action every month, it will prevent new excuses from forming into your mind because you'll be concentrating on growing your business, all right? The most important thing is to understand that now is the time to act and to make a plan for the future, all right? There has never been, truthfully, a better time to start or grow your business. I know that sounds stupid, but listen to me. Right now, prices are lower. Suppliers are ready to strike deals. Well, your suppliers are hurting too, and they're likely to work with you on material costs and trying to keep them down and giving you better terms. All right, take advantage of that opportunity. Technology has made it easier for the small business owners to compete. You're now able to take your business online, use social media, webinars, ebooks, digital magazines. The options are endless. And your customers are more willing than ever to use online, okay? Talking about that, there's less competition. Truthfully, if you've managed to survive and can survive the next 6 months, you're going to have less competition because there'll be less of the ones that haven't survived, and some new ones will start, but you have a lot of assets in your place, and truthfully, you've got a lot of experience learning how to run a business lean because you survived. All right. High unemployment has truthfully made a wealth of talent available at reasonable rates. Many people are much more willing to work for small business owners now. In the past, they wanted the perceived security of working for larger, more established companies. Events over the last few years, last decade, and the last month or two have shown many employees that this security is an illusion. Remember, excuses are an obstacle to your success. If you allow them a place in your business, you are sabotaging your chance for future profits. Replace your excuses with a monthly plan of action. Follow the plan, achieve your goals, watch your business flourish, and add to your pocketbook. Look, one place to start, my book's going to be coming out right around September 8th, it looks like. Grab a copy. I have in the appendix area, I have a monthly action plan. And in the book, I discuss how to use it. Once I get past the October 15th deadline, right around November 1st, somewhere in that area, we're going to launch our 90-day profit reset, which is based on the book, but it's actually an online coaching program and a little bit of one-on-one, so I can help you. All right. My goal is to help as many people as many entrepreneurs as I can get through this. So we're going to be talking about profits mainly from now until the end of the year. How to increase them, what they mean, what are the components of it. Hey, until next time, this is Wayne Bilal saying let's make this our most profitable year ever. Thank you very much.